Hello and welcome back guys to 911 Scales, and yes, it's another model car video. I know it has been quite some time, right? I guess driving the big Porsches is quite a lot of fun as well, and it's generating quite a lot of traffic. So thank you very much for everyone who's tuning in the last couple of months. The reach has been amazing. And yeah, here is another model car, and it's another 911 Speedster. If you're following me on Instagram, then you already know what kind of model this is. This is a PTS colored Jade Green Speedster, or in German it's called Hellgrün, this color. Again, limited to 100 pieces and is again made by Spark and sold by Porsche of Leipzig exclusively. So yeah, this one is quite a stunner, and it came out together with this one here behind me, the dark sea blue colored one. You know it already from another video. There it was only the prototype model. Here these are now the final version as you were able to buy them. I think both are already sold out. I'm a bit behind with that video here, but otherwise good news that this one is as good as the prototype model. I told you there in that video that I wanted to make a follow-up if it wasn't the case, but good news, this really is a stunner. Same quality as on the prototype, and also same quality on here. This one is obviously significantly different to that one. This car also exists in real life at this one, but from this one we also have a real pictures because the owner is active on Instagram, which I think is quite awesome. And yeah, he is called there simply just lighter green. I post a link to his profile down in the description below. And yeah, this is really a nice spec, even though it's not that outrageous as that one here behind me with these orange details. This here is still a very beautiful one. The retail price was also 249 euros, but I think they are all sold out. If that's not the case and you're considering, hey, I still want one, then make sure to write an email to the Porsche shop in Leipzig. Maybe they still have some left. Otherwise, I think there are still a few offers online. But seriously, don't go above 300 euros. I think that's a bit outrageous. Between the 250 and 300 euro mark, the prices I think are alright, because that really is a seriously rare model and beautiful one as well. And I think Spark did an amazing job again, and Porsche Leipzig, I think it's great that you are guys doing this kind of model cars. So with that, let's grab the camera and get up close to this one. So yeah, here it is, the Jade Green. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If that is not the case, I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments below. Color is called in German Hellgrün, and yeah, it really is a very cool color. Looks very similar to mint green, and this car is completely covered with it. It has no livery apart from these golden accents here, the stripe, this Porsche livery on the side, and golden satinish as the wheels here with the yellow PCCB brake calipers. Otherwise, this model is exactly the same as the dark sea blue, only colors are different. So we have the double beam PDLS plus headlights, the LEDs. We have these very nice air vents down here and these daytime running lights. Everything really looks very nicely done on this one, as with the other model car. And yeah, here on the side, as I told you, this stripe has the matching color to the wheels. PCCB brakes equipped, as you can see that, with the yellow brake calipers, center lock wheels, same as on the GT3s. But yeah, really looks nicely done, really as good as on the other one and the other Speedster models. Spark really did an amazing job on these. I really like the brake calipers with this finish here. The door mirrors are also all in Jade Green, so this top part here matches the lower part, which is an optional extra at Porsche. The rest of the car, the details are kept in black. The rear is, as always, really nicely done. The sports exhaust is completely black. The lower part here is completely black, looks very good. Speedster writing in black, and this Porsche part here on top is also black, looks really cool. And this one also, like the other car, has the Speedster number plate, which I think is a really cool thing and only was the case on the Porsche Leipzig model cars. Here personally I got the number 68 of 100, so yeah, this really is a very rare model. The interior is also very nice, and I really like the specification. Sure, it's all black, which is maybe not the best on a model car, but I get on a real car this really works very nicely. nicely. There are some details in Jade Green, so the air vents, for example, are in Jade Green, and the Sport Chrono package watch here on top of the dashboard is also in Jade Green, which looks really nicely. Other accents are kept in carbon fiber here on the dashboard and here in the dorsals, and there is a lovely silver Speedster writing included here, and also all the stitching is in silver, which I think fits very well. Other details are as astonishing as on the other model cars. So here in the middle console the gear lever has some silver whitish inserts for the individual gearing, some silver stitching here. All the buttons are very nicely visible and obviously fitting very nice on the Speedster, this green instrument cluster. And we also have this very nice detail of the 9 o'clock and 11 minutes. And yeah, I think it's just astonishing what Spark is managing to do in the 1/18 scale department. It really is very nicely done. If you haven't already, make sure to check out some other 1/18 scale reviews, especially the Exclusive Series Turbo or the Classic Series Turbo. These are also very nicely done. And then the seats are also kept in black with some silver stitching here around it. The Speedster in the headrest, carbon inserts, and we also have the 70th anniversary plaque where on the real car there's the individual number of the 911 Speedster, which was limited to 1,948 pieces. Also lovely detail is here on the middle armrest, the Porsche crest in the leather, and also some more stitching. This really is a very nice model. So yeah, it is really a stunner, and yeah, I have these two now here, and for me personally, I always thought, hang on, this one is the more desirable one. But personally, for me, this one is growing more and more. I really like this lighter color. I think it pops even more when you're displaying it. And points wise, I'm not going into all the details as I used to do that before. The detailed scoreboard is linked down in the description below. And this one gets pretty much all the same points apart from details. Here it only gets a 9 out of 10. This one got a 10 out of 10. And overall it's got a 38 out of 50. So yeah, the model car videos will be a bit shorter now because with the real car videos and all that other stuff on Instagram, it really is a lot of work. But yeah, still, I think it is worthwhile to show the model cars. And there are also some new model cars out from Porsche, which I'm going to show you in the next couple of weeks. So that's it for now. Tune in next time when we are exploring the Porsche world in 911 scales. Make sure to subscribe, like, and consider to follow me on Instagram. That's it for now. Alla, ciao!